You wake up with a to-do list. You go to sleep with guilt. And the worst part? You were busy all day and still feel like you did nothing. If this sounds familiar, you're not lazy. You're just managing time wrong. Today, let's fix that. No fluff, no magic tricks. Just real strategies that work. Here's the uncomfortable truth. You don't need more hours in the day. You need to stop wasting the ones you already have. Because time management isn't about doing everything. It's about doing the right things, on time. Most people don't manage time. They just react to it. Emails, notifications, last-minute deadlines. You're not managing your life, you're firefighting it. First rule, start with clarity. Ask yourself, backhand index pointing right, what actually matters today? Backhand index pointing right, what would make me feel accomplished by 8 p.m.? Don't keep it in your head. Write it down. Use the rule of 3. Pick 3 important tasks. Only 3. That's your day. When everything feels important, nothing really is. Focus is a decision. Make it. Now you need structure. Enter time blocking. Take a calendar. Block time for each of your 3 tasks. Treat those blocks like meetings, unmovable, non-negotiable. Why it works? You stop depending on willpower and start depending on systems. It turns your day from chaos into a roadmap. Bonus tip, always block a 30-minute life buffer. Because life always happens. Your phone is not just a tool. It's a time thief. You don't need more focus. You need less temptation. Airplane mode during work blocks. No social media before 12 p.m. Use do not disturb like your life depends on it. Because your goals do. Distraction isn't harmless. It steals your future 5 minutes at a time. You're spending 80% of your time on things that give you 20% of results. Let's flip that. Ask yourself, brain, which task today actually moves me forward? Then do that one first. Every day. We call it eating the frog. It's uncomfortable. But when you get it done first, everything else feels lighter. Procrastination dies when momentum begins. At the end of the day, spend 5 minutes on a daily reset. What did I finish? What distracted me? What will I change tomorrow? Time mastery is a feedback loop. People who reflect daily improve 10x faster. Be one of those people. You think you need more hours. But what you really need is more energy. Sleep, movement, good food. This isn't self-care. It's time management at the biological level. You don't manage time, you manage you. Tired brain equals slow progress. Rested brain equals laser focus. Take care of your system. The rest follows. Let's recap. Clarity. Time blocking. Kill distractions. Do the high-impact stuff first. Reset daily. Manage your energy. You don't need more hours. You need better decisions with the hours you already have. Direct hit start tomorrow with this question. What 3 things will I do today that actually matter? That's how you win your time back. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. I choose to own my time. See you in the next one.